You ever had feelings of guilt because you weren't where you thought you should have been financially and your family was unaware? Yeah, I've had those same feelings. There was a time where I spent some of my 401k, uh, was trying to recoup it by working long hours, and that didn't work. It just put me in the hospital. But then I discovered a vehicle, a way to create passive income, and that was through digital marketing. So, what is passive income? That is the way to potentially create income that works for you 24 hours a day. And all you do is set up your business model once, maybe work 2 hours a day at the most. And that business works for you 24 hours a day. You can spend time with family, friends, you can work, whatever you want to do. And it's doing the work for you. You don't have to try to talk to anybody, teach anybody anything. It just works. So I want to share that with you. If that resonates with you, put yes in the comments and I'll send that to you right away. Bye.